Hello children, welcome to your maths class. So let's start today's our class. Topic is comparison of unlike fractions. Last class I think we have already discussed about like fractions. Yes. But now we will discuss how to compare unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means what? When the denominators are different. So how to compare in between two fraction, two unlike fraction, which one is greater, which one is smaller. So I am taking example, let's 5 by 6 and 4 by 9. See children, here denominators are different, numerators are also different. So all are different. So how to compare in between two unlike fraction, which fraction is greater, which fraction is smaller. So for that, one method is that we have to choose, this is numerator, yes, and this is denominator. Here also this is numerator and this is denominator. Let's take numerator 1, this is denominator 1, numerator 2, denominator 2. So what we will do? 5 by 6 and 4 by 9. Let's do our cross multiplication. So we will proceed for cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means what? This one is numerator 1. I have given arrow mark towards denominator 2. So I am writing here n1 d2. Then this one d1 and 2. Okay. So what we will do? Now multiply 5 into 9. How much? 5 9s are 45. And here 6 into 4. 6 4s are how much? 24. Okay. So one value we got 45. One value we got 24. So one thing children remember, n1 d2. This multiplication always consider as first number or first fraction. Then this 2 d1 and 2 we will consider as second fraction. The value of multiplication, it is second, it is first. If the first one is greater, 45 is greater than 24, yes or no? So the first value is greater than the second value. Yes, that means our first fraction 5 by 6 is greater than 4 by 9. Yes, so always consider this n1 d2 is first fraction and this one d1 and 2 is second fraction. I will show another example. Suppose 5 by 6, 3 by 4. So what to do? We will do our cross multiplication. This is your first value. 5 into 4, how much? 20. Then this one is second value. 6 into 3 equal to how much? 18. Okay. 5 4s are 20, 6 3s are 18. So our first value is here also greater. 20 is greater than 18. That means your 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 4. Clear? So this is comparison of unlike fraction in between two fractions. Children, when more than two fractions are there, so how to do? We cannot follow this method. So for that we have to follow another method. 5 by 8, 3 by 4, 7 by 12, 2 by 3. Children, how many fractions are there? There are 4 fractions. So we have to compare in between these 4 fractions. So when you will compare, we can arrange it in ascending or descending. Yes, but how to compare? So here what thing you will do? First you will take LCM of all the denominators. Okay. So all the denominators, what are they? 8, 4, 12, 3. Children, do you remember or forgot how to find out LCM? 4 methods we had already discussed, but here we have to find out the LCM. So we can choose any method. So let's take division method, subdivision method. At a time you have to find out divide the denominators. Okay. So we can select 2 as a prime factor. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 6s are, then 3. Again divide by 2, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, here 3. Again by 2, 1 1 3 3, by 3 1 1 1 1. So how much you got LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Children, we got here LCM 24. So next step, what to do? We have to convert all the fractions into the denominator 24. We have to convert all the denominators into 24. So how to do? First fraction is our 5 by 8. Yes, we have to make it 24 means what? We have to convert into like fractions. When all the denominators will be 24, then we will get our like fractions. Yes, so this all are unlike. Now we will change into like fraction. How to change? So here is 8. You have to convert 24. So what to do? 24 divided by 8. How much? 3. So you will do multiplication both numerator and denominator with the counting number 3. 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24. Clear? Then second fraction 3 by 4. So now 4 you will convert into 24. How to convert? 24 divided by 4 how much? 6. So now multiply by 6. How much you will get? 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 18 by 24. Then 7 by 12. 12 we will change into 24. How to change? You divide it 24 by 12. It's coming 2. So 12 into 2, 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14, 12 2s are 24. Children, you can mark. Everywhere we are getting the denominator 24. That means we are changing the unlike fraction to like fraction. Okay. The last one is 2 by 3. So this 3 we will convert into 24. How much value we need? 24 divided by 3, it's coming 8. So 3 into 8, 2 into 8, it's coming 16 by 24. So children, everywhere we got here 24. That means we have converted into like fraction. Now write all the fractions, like fractions. What we got? 15 by 24, 18 by 24, 14 by 24, 16 by 24. So now we got the like fractions. Now we can easily arrange, because what is the rule? How to arrange the like fractions when all the denominators are same? The rule, the key term is that the larger numerator is larger fraction. The smaller numerator is smaller fraction. Yes, if we will arrange in ascending, then the smaller one will come first. Which one is smaller? 14 by 24, 15 by 24, 16 by 24, 18 by 24. If we will arrange in descending, then 18 will come first, 16, then 15, then 14. Yes. So here we arrange the like one. So now we will check 14 by 24 means which fraction? This fraction, 7 by 12. So 7 by 12 is your smallest one. Out of this 4 unlike fraction, first we will arrange the smallest one, 7 by 12. Next is 15 by 24. 15 by 24, it's 5 by 8. Now it's 5 by 8. Then 16 by 24, which one? 2 by 3. Then 18 is 3 by 4. Okay, we have arranged in ascending order, just reverse you can write as your descending order. So 7 by 12 is your smallest one, 3 by 4 is your largest one. If you are given all the unlike fractions, so children, first you will turn all the denominators LCM, then you change all the unlike fraction to like fraction, then easily you can arrange in ascending and descending order. Okay. So children, this is your comparison of unlike fractions. So next class we will start our addition and subtraction of your fraction.